guys, so I just got my decals from gear plug. Boom, there you go. Unboxing right now. Boom. So we got the box open, in good shape. Got the wing decal and then the side decals for the car. Looks pretty good. So time to put it on. Thank you again, bro. You were amazing. Can't wait to buy some more stuff from you. So I look forward to it.
Alright guys, so I placed the decal on the wing. I took the backing off now so you can see it on the wing, and so I have started to now apply the decal onto the wing. So you're just going to do this lightly, try and not get any air bubbles, or if you do, just try to get them out. Go over the decal with your little tool that I'm using, and you're just trying to get it on there pretty good. So when you peel the top layer off, it does not grab the leathers with it. That's how you're going to get it pretty well. And when you do it, just make sure you're doing a sharp angle so that you get it off, and then voila. So now the top layer is off, and enjoy what it looks like.
Or manufacturing.
It's already resting on one side.
Okay, so what do we do? 3 washers. 1 go on each side of the middle and 4 of the screws. Cool. Remember which way it was? What do you want on the outside? What do you want on the inside? Which direction do you want this? This way? So it's cleaner looking? Bottom on the inside, right?
Yes.
You want to put these, you want to tighten that a little bit, but we may want to adjust this way depending on how they fit out here. Because have you moved these at all? The length on these?
I have no idea.
Oh yeah. I'm just using my wrist to move it up and down so I don't have like fingerprints all over things. right mood. I got the tarp out and put it. I was trying to figure out how to bring all that crap I cut down a couple weeks ago. You know, I just throw them on the tarp. You know, the tarp route out and lift them up. Put them on the tarp and look at the main plant going, okay. I pulled it down underneath it. Like a edge thing. I started attacking it. And I had to go get the 5-foot step ladder to get to the top. I must have took 3 feet off the top. Unbelievable. That's probably not good. It wasn't greater than that. You could lower it if you wanted to. It's totally up to you.
So one thing, Battle Arrow sent me new brackets and everything because other ones got destroyed. Just from being on the car, nothing. The powder coat came off and they started to rust. At least, you know, these bottom ones started rusting and these are aluminum, so they don't rust, but the powder coat's come off. But on this one, you can't see it because I already put the bracket on, or put the screw in, but it was already, they've been on the car for maybe a month, just by themselves without the wing, because I've been trying to get the other brackets straight without arrow for the wing. And I'll go to put the wing on just now, and the powder coat literally just slides off on the steel brackets and it's already rusted around the hole. So I'm just gonna go with it. I'm tired of arguing with the people at Battle Arrow. I love the product, but their paint quality is honestly not that great. Thank you for sending me new brackets and everything. Gave me a hard time about one of them, but the new one ended up fitting, even though he said the old one was fine and it wasn't. I still have to send you the old ones back that I didn't use. He gave me 2 extras, but yeah. So now it's already degrading on the steel ones again, and I don't feel like going through the hassle again. So maybe you'll see this video, even though I have like a few followers, and be like, oh, maybe we need to fix something. But you know, it is what it is. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I just need to tighten up all of these bolts right here. It is a, let's see if I can figure out the size. It's a 10 millimeter for the bolts that go on the bracket right there, and these are 8s. And then you use a, I think 5/16 Allen wrench or something close to that. So I was mistaken. It's actually a 5/32 for the Allen wrench, or you can go metric. All right, guys. So we got the wing on the car. So let's show you how it looks.